Welcome. The simplest way to $500 a week from home. In the next few minutes, I want to share with you the simplest way that I have found to make $500 a week part-time from home with no monthly bill. The minimum cost to start is a one-time $35, a one-time hosting setup fee of $10 plus $25 paid directly to a member, 100% commissions. This is not MLM, no lotions or potions, no crypto trading, no auto ships. If you've never made a dime online, you can do this. It's copy and paste simple. If you're a successful marketer with a list of any size, you can make more faster. Only start there, though, at the gold level if you have to. We use a program called $25 1-Up. Very simple, very lucrative, easy to duplicate. You will get paid instantly and directly to your PayPal, Cash App, or other method, making $25 a pop. It will take you bringing in 20 new people every week to make $500 a week. Even though that is totally possible, it's a lot more work than I wanted. Probably more than you want too. After you pass up your second sale, all of your new signups will have to pass up their second sale to you. Hence the name $25 1-Up. If you come in at the $100 platinum level, gold plus platinum plus the $10 hosting, that's $135 total. You will not only get more training in your back office, you will also have the capability to start a real business right from within the system, including 12 spots to advertise any other business you may have to your new customers. That's 12 free advertising spots that only real buyers will see. Plus you get direct and instant payments of both the $25 and $100 for other platinums that you bring in after your number 2 pass up. You get paid and keep number 1. Sale number 1 is always yours. With a platinum membership, you only need 4 platinums a week to earn $500 a week. Better than 20, right? Pass ups or personal referrals, doesn't matter, 4 a week. Plus, all of the new gold members you sign up pay you 100% directly and instantly. And then when they sign up a new platinum member, they are entitled to the $25 payment paid instantly and directly to them. But the new member also sees the added value of the platinum package. Since the gold member does not own it, they can't sell it. That $100 would go to you, instantly and directly, 100%, to buy that product. Can you begin to see the magic in a system like this? If you come in at platinum, you are out $135. After your very first platinum sale, you break even, not counting the $10 fee. Everyone is required to pass up their second sale at any level. First sale at that level, break even. Second sale at that level, passed up. Third sale, onward, pure profit. All the people passed up to you, more pure profit. Plus, everyone who joins at your level or below will have to pass up their second sale to you. Once passed up to you, that person is now your member, and they will have to pass up their second sale to you also, and on and on and on. Many are thinking I encourage you to join at the platinum because I am greedy and want more of your money. It's simply not true. I make more money from you if you buy gold. Initially, I will only make $25 directly from you, and I am grateful and I thank you. You will sell some platinum or higher packages. I get all but the $25 that you are entitled to. I joined at the enterprise level. I paid for the right not to give away too much money. Every time you as my gold member sell a platinum package, I make $100. Every time you as my gold member sell a diamond package, I make $225. Every time you as my gold member sell an enterprise package, I make $475. If you join at platinum, you are cutting me out of a lot of $100 bills and putting them where they should be, in your own pocket. You're doing all the work, get paid for it. I am telling you that if you are truly ready to put in the work, posting pre-written ads and inviting people and start generating $500 a week, then start at the platinum and gold levels for $135, where you can make $125 for every platinum you bring in, and they will have to pass their number 2s up to you after you're qualified. 4 per week versus 20 per week. Which is an easier path to make $500 a week. But treat everyone well. If you can afford, buy the 135 platinum and gold packages. If not, start at the gold and work your way up. But start your new part-time journey to $500 a week today. Our complete presentation and sign-up is at www.ez-planz.com. That's ez-planz.com. If you found this information helpful, please like the video with a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified as I create more videos. Thanks for watching. I look forward to helping you get started today.